Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today on the client's house, he has a 2018 BMW i3, and today we try to program the garage opener under the mirror. So first of all, you need to open the door and put your car into the accessory mode. I'm gonna go ahead and press this start button right here. Okay. So there are like three buttons right here for your garage opener. 1, 2, 3. We're going to program this first button right here on the left hand side. So you need to press and hold. And you see the lights over here on the mirror. It's gonna blink, the amber light. And once it start blinking slowly, you're going to press the garage opener and press and hold it down while you keep on pressing this button and hold it down at the same time, so the garage opener could sync it to your button right here. So let's go ahead and do this. You're gonna hold this. Try to focus over here, like that. And I'm trying to show the button. So I'm gonna press and hold the button until it starts flashing slowly.
I don't think that's what you did.
Huh?
Didn't you just press it and then press that at the same time and start doing it and hold it down and then start
there you
going
go.
fast?
And then we will need to wait until it finish flashing. There you go. And then now we test it out. Sometimes you gotta press it a couple times in order to open or close it. There you go. And I'm going to try to open it again. I guess I need to press a little bit longer. Anyway, I hope you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video like always. Peace.